Today we're going to be working from the mathsgenius.co.za question and answer portal, where anyone can go in and ask questions, receive answers, comment and vote on answers, or you can even pledge an amount for your question to be solved, like putting bounty on your question, but this is optional, otherwise everything is free. You can share your maths questions and answers on the different social media platforms, even via email. And if you're on Android, you can even download the app and have it handy at all times on your phone. So the question that we're dealing with today is, why can't we divide by 0? Because many a times when you're in school, you hear that 1 divided by 0, and then the teacher just says it can't. So the reason is why. This is something that was asked by a grade 7 Brooks. All right, and let's see the answer that was given. So the proof is simple. Given that A and B are real numbers, positive real numbers, right? So this shows that A and B are elements of the set of real numbers, and you know real numbers are all the numbers that are on the number line, right? So the positive ones, meaning that anything that is greater than 0. Okay, so A divided by 0 is equal to B, right? So if we are to multiply both sides by 0, we would have a situation where A is equal to B times 0, which means that B times 0 would be equal to 0, right? But we know that A can't be 0 because it's a positive real number. So by virtue of doing that, we've used what is known as proof by contradiction to prove that we cannot divide by 0, because we'd have a situation now where we're saying B times 0, which we know is equal to 0, but we also know that B times 0 is equal to A, of which we know A is not equal to 0. So in other words, we're saying A is equal to 0, but A is greater than 0, which doesn't make sense. So that's where the contradiction comes in. So if anybody asks you, why can't we divide by 0? Just tell them this relationship where A is greater than 0. Therefore, it is impossible to divide by 0. Thank you very much.